Step into the 2017 Chevrolet Sonic LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, steering wheel controls, traction control, fog lamps and rear spoiler. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.